we're going to explore what awakening into these higher bodies actually brings about, what you might notice. One of them is intuition. Intuition might be described as an all-knowingness, which could come from being everything, everyone, and everywhere, or cosmic consciousness. What if you could stretch yourself out and consciously feel yourself being one with all that is in a galaxy and having access to everything and all knowledge that's in there? Feel your galactic body, awareness now as you gaze at this, and feel millions of star systems inside of you. Beloved Master Metatron, help each one of us right now blend our waking consciousness with our galactic body and all of our higher spiritual bodies to feel this presence deeply. Help us to continue this blending of our waking physical consciousness with these higher spiritual bodies each day, and coach us in the right use of this and all of your gifts. Please accept the possibility that awakening to and consciously inhabiting one or more of these higher spiritual bodies can give you instant access to any information available inside that space occupied by your higher spiritual body, which you are at that point one with. If a part of your essence interpenetrates everything within a vast ocean of creation, could this be one way of understanding how intuition works? Continue to rise into this feeling. Another point to ponder is travel. Traveling to some place, I don't believe, is so much traveling, but simply a shift in awareness from one part of yourself to another part of you, such as we experienced shifting our attention from one hand to the other, or to our foot, or to our whole body in the earlier exercise. So travel and size, these are the physics of what we contend with in our awareness, and they're different. They're very different when you're inhabiting consciously these higher bodies.
Thank you for watching this preview. Click here to enjoy the full class for free, and check out more previews of our Meru University classes in this playlist.